200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1550, 1570, 1590, 1610. $1,621 zlotys. Okay. First of all, we will start with this binder and we will see how far we can go. So, dining out is something I decided to do. Basically, we are not going to spend the money from bank account anymore for going out together because we don't have any control over that and we have been proven that last month. So I'll take 300, I'll staff at 300 and I'll put that to my wallet to make sure that we only spend this particular amount. So this is going to the wallet. And when it's empty, I will put that back to the binder to be stuffed next week, next month. So that was the category of going out. Gym, I am not stuffing that with cash this month because I need to do the bank transfer. So I'm just going to put that back to the back, leave that on the back. So transportation requires 100. For February. Pets, they are going to get a 50. And you know what? We actually need to change this category because the challenge makes no sense. I'm pulling out the money almost every month. So I don't think we're actually going to do the challenge. I am going to leave this challenge for something different and collect some extra money for our pets in the challenge category. But I think we're gonna just change. Okay. So I will wipe that down and I have this. And I think I'm gonna put it back here. Let's leave it this way for now. So it's going to be back without a challenge, and we'll do a challenge with something else. So pets. And that's going to go to the challenges binder, which is this one. I'm just going to stuff it here for now and we'll see the rest. Okay, so the pets, so that was my remover. So that was pets. Now we go to the medical. This month we are only going to put there 100. And the reason for that is very simple. We don't have more money. So here goes 100. Actually, you know what? I need to update that. 1 second. So we are back at 100 for the medical. That also requires another challenge, but not for now. Okay, let's go with the insurance. Insurance for December is supposed to be 100. We have 85 and 100 for February. So in total, there's supposed to be 200, but I don't have that kind of money here yet. So I'm just going to take that back and I'm gonna put here 200. And I need to mark that down. Where is my marker? I lost it. Of course I lost it. Just a second. Here is my favorite marker. Okay, so 200 for 2 months seems about right. And the envelope is dirty, I need to clean it. That is insurance for both car and house. Coffee for February, we need a 50. And more, okay, we can just color that here. Like that, that's fine. Okay. So another month, another coffee, 50. Gifts, they would have 100. I'd actually like to break that down. Last time we pulled out 65 from groceries, so let's hope we can build it at least a bit. Gifts. House requires 200. But, oh, actually, you know what? Yeah, I already spent that money. Not everything. So February plus 200 for our house, but I already spent 99, so I'm just going to staff 100. So I have 101 here. Oops. Clothes. Clothes, they require 200. $200. Here we go. Gem we already discussed. And here it's supposed to be 125. 7.9. In theory, this is what we're supposed to put to this envelope. So 100 is taken. So how about we do it this way? 70 and 50, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's see. $70. You know what? I'm actually going to, no, I made a mistake. I'm not going to do the 129. I will do differently. I will take 59 this month. We're gonna stuff it. Możesz mówić. and 70 I left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this extra 50 to the pets category, because I know that I need to place an order that is going to be quite big. So I'm just going to update that. I already have the amount, I just need to, you know what, I'm gonna just mark it February plus 82. And 2, because I really do need, and we are on 0. Okay, we don't have anything in the pets fund because I actually kind of already spent that. 82. Okay, cool. So this is it, and we have 15 left over. So you know what, I'm just gonna change this 5s for a tenner. And let's go to the challenges. We don't have 50 for Berlin. Okay, we need to do something about those pets. We don't have 2s, but we do have some 5s. And here we need a 10, a 20. We have 15. So we can do... Okay, let's go with this challenge. So we have 3 5s. I have a silver. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Okay, that's the only challenge we've been able to actually staff in this cash stuffing, but that's fine. So we staffed the entire family budget and 50 to 100 envelopes challenge. We also staffed 1 challenge in the challenge binder. The only thing that is actually left over is we need to staff bills, 800, and obviously my personal binder that is going to be poor this month, but we will see about that. Okay, and how about those pets? So let me see. Berlin 2, 5, Cyprus, Christmas. You know, I pulled out 52 weeks last time because it's more than enough for us to have those challenges. As you see, I can't pull out too much money every month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna place that here and we'll see. Okay, so how much we need for Berlin? We still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 27 times 50, 1,350. We need for Berlin, which is not a problem. We are going to the Berlin in the end of March. So I believe I will close this with my March payment. If I will receive my March payment at the beginning of the March, I will cover this entire challenge in one go. And hopefully I will also have some extras, so we'll see about that. Okay, thank you guys very much for staying here with me. That I have recorded it for the second time because my first video disappeared magically, but I'm happy to be able to show you a little bit of stuffing. We still have the second part of cash to come, and we will see how much that will be. I don't expect much, and even if there will be over 1,200, but we still need to stuff this bad boy with 800. So there is quite a lot of money going to go to this envelope, and the leftover few hundreds are going to go here and here. So we will see. Okay, guys, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.